luncheon meat, bacon, hot dogs, eggs, dried fishes. That's it. Oh my gosh. Sorry. Breakfast, guys and gals, come over here. Hindi man lang nagdasal.
Amen.
Ikaw, di ka man lang nag-sign up the cross.
Tuloy na pa. Pangalawang beses
Sa
na.
iglesia ngayong umaga. Ano po hanggang sumasunod po ako sa
Mabuhay na.
habang buhay kami. Hindi mawawala ng pagkain. Sa iglesia. Sinapay.
Over here, guys.
You know.
Welcome to my day 3 here in San Roque, Legazpi City. Open your mouth. Don't be shy. Shout out to each and every one of you.